back at the bike. Quick things. This is fixed. It's used, old, all beat up. I have the old one, which is gold, so I'm gonna swap that out. It's gonna look like that guy. What else? Still need to order a tank. Don't have a tank on order. And I fixed this guy here. The connector, I fixed this one, but it's not holding pressure. Like, I have to bleed it pretty often, so I must be doing it wrong or something. So I'm gonna try to bleed this again and have it, there we go, have it working properly. But that's fixed. It's not leaking, it's just not holding pressure. So I got my bracket to replace and fix this because these tabs right here are no longer there. They broke off. I'll show you on the new one. So I could have, zip tied something or I don't know, rivet something up there, but I'm gonna just replace it. So we're gonna get this cluster removed and get all of this stuff that's bolted to it removed, sensors, and replace this center support, front support bracket. Also have headlights. If you can tell, it's a Gen 2 headlight set, so you can probably take a guess and see what the fairings are gonna look like, because Gen 2, baby. So let's get started on it. All right, that was super simple to, everything's pretty much off of it. That's where the two tabs broke. Just took out these bolts. This one broke, so I'm gonna have to go buy a new one, which is nothing. And then these 4 or 2 here, that's all that's left, and then the new one's going on. So let's get those last 2 bolts off. It's already wiggly, but yeah, easy. All right, and she's out. So like I say, easy swap. This is the old bracket. I already put it on the new one. Just gonna hit those 2 bolts and she's up there. Man, these new taillights are gonna look crazy. Or headlights, Lord have mercy. So, what's up? If y'all are wondering why the intro had nothing to do with motorcycles and why it got cut short, because I didn't finish putting the headlights on, ran out of time, daylight, had stuff to do, and it is super bright out here. And I'm wearing short sleeve shirts, or a short sleeve shirt. And happy 2021 to you guys too, all for it. I'm traveling, took a trip in California, so I'm here now, working out a few things, and yeah, that's why I'm not home working on the bike or the cars right now, because I have some other projects. The channel, I know, is a little weird. It's like all over the place, got motorcycles, cars, old stuff, new stuff, but gonna try to keep it up with you guys and more like trying to keep something consistent with it. So you're gonna consistently see these bikes get finished, whether it's, you'll see. But stay tuned for the next video, and we are out.